Hi, I'm Connie Kuderna and I work with the Department of Public Instruction. I'm here to present information on the North Dakota Academic and the North Dakota Career and Technical Education Scholarships. Welcome to the session. The 2009 legislature included several items in House Bill 1400 relative to high school education, including the establishment of two new scholarships, the North Dakota Academic Scholarship and the North Dakota Career and Technical Education Scholarship, high school graduation requirements, and statewide ACT and work keys testing for all juniors. The requirements of the scholarships are closely tied to diploma requirements and to ACT and work keys assessment scores. Students can receive one of the two scholarships. The amount of each scholarship is $750 per semester or up to $1,500 per academic year. Students may be eligible for $6,000 total. The scholarships are valid for 6 academic years after the student's graduation from high school, but may not be applied to graduate programs. Students must be enrolled in college full-time. However, students are not required to be enrolled in consecutive semesters. These scholarships are only good at accredited institutions of higher education in North Dakota. These are defined as post-secondary institutions offering at least a 2-year degree, regardless if all programs are 2 years or more in duration. Students can use the scholarship at any of the 21 North Dakota institutions listed here. To be eligible for one of the scholarships, a student must be a North Dakota resident and graduate from a North Dakota high school. The academic scholarship requires the student earn an ACT composite score of 24 or higher. The Career and Technical Education Scholarship requires either a 24 or higher on the ACT or a score of 3.5s on the work keys assessments. Students graduating in the school year 2010-11 and beyond have to meet specific grade, point average, and course requirements to be eligible for one of the scholarships. Starting with the 2010-11 graduating class, specific diploma requirements must also be met to graduate from high school. These requirements are outlined in House Bill 1400. You are probably familiar with the diploma requirements and they are listed here. How does completion of these courses affect scholarship eligibility? In legislation, it states that students cannot receive less than a C in any course required for their diploma and still qualify for the scholarships. If a student receives less than a C in these courses, it is recommended that they retake the course to improve the grade. Many of the scholarship course requirements are more specific than the diploma requirements. Once it is verified that a student has met the diploma requirements, the next step is to see if they met other specific scholarship requirements such as grade point average. The grade point requirements are: students must earn a cumulative GPA of at least a B. This is a 3.0 average based on a 4.0 scale. GPAs can't be rounded to less than the nearest hundredth. As stated earlier, for courses required for graduation, students must earn at least a C, which is defined as a 2.0 on a 4.0 scale. Now we will cover the remaining requirements for each scholarship. For the academic scholarship, students will need to complete either 1 unit of an advanced placement course and its examination, or they will need to take a dual credit class. Students need to take Algebra 2, an additional math class above Algebra 2, and geometry does not count for a math class for which Algebra 2 is a prerequisite. Students will also have to take 2 units of the same foreign or Native American language, 1 unit of fine arts or career and technical education, and 1 unit of a foreign or Native American language, fine arts, or career and technical education. And remember, they will have no lower than a C in any of these courses. If a student wants to apply for the Career and Technical Education Scholarship, they will need to complete the following courses: Algebra 2, 2 units from a coordinated plan of study. The Department of Career and Technical Education has defined coordinated plans of study which are available on their website at the address listed here. Also, 3 additional units, 2 of which must be CTE courses. Again, remember, a student will have no lower than a C in any of these required courses. For continued funding of the scholarship, students have to maintain a cumulative grade point average of 2.75 or higher in college. The GPA will be verified every semester prior to additional funding being dispersed. The scholarships will automatically renew, so if there are changes that affect the scholarship, such as a student planning to transfer to a different college, or if you plan to take a semester off, you do need to contact the North Dakota University System. The application for the North Dakota Academic and the North Dakota Career and Technical Education Scholarships is available online and may be completed and submitted from March 1st through June 7th. Students eligible via an ACT score do not need to provide score reports to the Department of Public Instruction. The department will get the scores from ACT. Students eligible via WorkKey scores need to send copies of their score reports to the DPI by June 7th. For additional information on the North Dakota Academic and Career and Technical Education Scholarships, please access the website listed here. Information available on the site includes scholarship-specific information, including a brochure, information sheets, question and answer sheets, as well as information on the statewide ACT WorkKeys assessments. Listed here is the contact information if you have specific questions regarding the scholarship program. Thank you.